Hello, once again today I'm here in this school known as Mkombozi Montessori Primary School. I'm here for the special function. I'm gonna check about the Montessori activities which take place here. As we all know that this school is known as Mkombozi Montessori, is Montessori school. So we're gonna see about the Montessori activities. We're gonna see how pupils are applying this methodology of Montessori. And we're going to meet with the expert teachers who are Montessori teachers. They will tell us the advantages of using this methodology, and we shall just see how pupils are applying this Montessori. Let's go check about this Montessori. Okay, madam, tell us what is Montessori and what is the importance of Montessori.
First of all, you're welcome. This is Montessori class. It's very simple, but there is different activities which children they help them to learn in the class. And this Montessori, there are 4 groups, which is practical life. We have sensorial group, we have Gas and Cortex, also we have mathematics activity. And these activities, children are playing according to their age. And this schooling activity means a child every day he using a spoon. For example, here at the school we use it for this spoon to pouring this seeds from one bowl to another bowl. But at home, even this spoon is used when a child is drinking her tea, maybe drinking her porridge, he's doing this tea for this spoon. And this activity, it helps a child to build the muscles of the finger. And this it helps him or her in writing. So we have these activities, pouring water from one tin to another tin. So it also is help a child to build the muscles, preparing for writing, pouring water from one tin to another, pairing pictures. This is to make a child to be attention. Pairing pictures from this side and this side. Also, we teach them how to folding clothes. This is a dress. A child we tried to fold clothes, even if clothes or clothes at home after washing must fold it. Here we have a towel. We taught them how to wash their bodies, and after finishing to wash their bodies, they use this towel to dry their bodies. Also, we have this washing body material. We have a soap for washing the body. We have toothbrush, toothpaste. This is help them to take care of their body. Those ones I said those are practical life. Also, we have sensorial group. This sensorial group is smart with you. We sense, we hear, we look. For example, we have this one. This activity we sense by using our fingers. Also, we have this. We sense by using our fingers. They have different things. You see. Also, we have sound bottles. We hear by using our ears. We have different here. Also, we have colors. Also, we have different shapes here. So all of these are sensorial group. Also, we have language. Here, we taught them how to read and write. We have, for example, here we have different pictures. At this picture, we don't have words, and this one not too much words. So we compare them, and then it's start to read those words. Also, we taught them how to read different names of different people. Also, we have different cards here and the picture. We taught them how to read and show different things in our class. For example, tree, go touch a tree. We have socks. Also, we have letters. These letters help them to read. We have starting from vowels and another letters. So these are letters we taught them to read and write. We have different materials here. Also, we have mathematics group. We have number and counter. We taught them how to count and the value of these numbers. We arrange the counters according to the number given. Also, here in top class we read about multiplication, have you seen? Yes. Also counting numbers 1 up to 10. The slogan of Montessori materials is "Help me to do it by myself." And my name Montessori.